This to me is summer on a plate. Peaches are in season and they're one of my favorite fruits. We're lucky here in BC that we have amazing local farmers and it's really accessible for us. So this salad really highlights that. I have arugula, prosciutto, burrata, fresh BC peaches. I'm gonna grill them up so that it really brings out the sweetness. When you're buying your peaches, you don't wanna look for one that's perfectly ready to eat right now. You want one a little bit firm because we are gonna slice them in half and throw them on the grill. They do soften quite a bit. It really brings out the natural sugars. So I have one sliced here. So we're gonna want to remove the pit nicely and then scoop it out like so. So these are gonna go on the grill. I'm gonna oil them lightly because otherwise they'll stick. I am using a grill mat. Otherwise your barbecue, it's just gonna get really stuck to the grate. We're gonna put them skin side down. I do have some ready to go. They're super soft and they have this beautiful char. And they're gonna be the sweetest things you've ever tasted, I promise you. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut them into thirds and let them cool just slightly. You don't want them hot when you put them on the salad because it's just gonna wilt your arugula and the prosciutto. So we wanna do like a nice base of arugula. Then while our peaches are cooling, we are gonna tear our prosciutto. I don't love the fat bits on it. Some people do love it. So if you are a fat lover, keep the fat on by all means. I do like to just trim it off and then I kind of just mound it. This is a perfect side dish. It is a protein-filled meal. You have the prosciutto, you have the burrata, but if you are hungry or it's for two, feel free to add a grilled piece of meat. It's one of my favorites. We are gonna pull our burrata. I drained it, and I'm just gonna tear the whole thing on top and kind of just scatter the mozzarella cream here. We're just gonna fill in the holes with the grilled peaches. I like to try and put the grill marks side up just for aesthetics. Grilled peaches also make a delicious dessert. You can fill them with ice cream, mascarpone, and a drizzle of caramel. It's so delicious. So then for the dressing, I love to use a white balsamic and a really good quality olive oil. I love this Nuez de Prado, it's Spanish. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drizzle just lightly because the burrata is very creamy. So it will make almost like a dressing as itself. And then we're gonna drizzle it as well with our white balsamic, just a little bit. Some really good quality flaky sea salt, not too much because the burrata is salty and the prosciutto. Some fresh ground pepper. For the garnish, I like to garnish with the little baby sprigs of mint and the baby sprigs of basil. So I just like to kind of scatter them. Don't use the big honkin' basils because that needs to be chopped. And then to finish, we have some balsamic pearls. So these are little pearls that are filled with balsamic vinegar. We have white balsamic, so this is aged balsamic. And if you just put it on top of the white, just adds a little something special. And it's so pretty. This to me is summer on a plate. Grilled peaches, burrata, prosciutto, fresh arugula. It's all delicious, it's light, it's fresh, and it's something you should make at home. I hope you enjoy.